Hi guys, welcome to my channel and Happy New Year. Today we're doing the kind of like one brand tutorial using mainly Maybelline products, and I'm reviewing also some of the Maybelline and Gigi Hadid products. Obviously I have no makeup on besides brows, and if you like to see me getting ready using Maybelline products, keep on watching. We'll start with primer, and I've got the Maybelline Superstay Makeup Extending Primer that looks like that. It has a pump. It looks like that. Oh. I'm going to review the products as I put them on, and I'm gonna tell you if I like them, if I don't. Anyway, my thoughts, you know. Let's start by saying that this was in the worst products of 2017 for me. Firstly, the scent. It has a really bad chemically scent. And also, I haven't noticed that it extends my makeup wear. So, for me, that's a fail for Maybelline. And sorry that I'm opening with a negative, but hey, you know, that's what reviews are all about, right? Next one, I've got the Maybelline Dream Cushion Liquid Foundation in a Cobalt. I have the SPF 14, I have the shade 21 Nude, and that has a mirror and a puff. Now this foundation, guys, it comes with a puff. It's one of these cushion foundations where you know, press and it has the liquid product there. I really like this product. It's a beautiful foundation. You can get light to medium coverage. It has an SPF 40. It applies very well. The shade 21 Nude is perfect for my skin tone, as you see here. And I don't know what to say, it's beautiful. If you're after a good drugstore foundation with an SPF, that is a very good one. Next one is the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles. It looks like that. And I'm in the shade Light in this one. I love this product. It's a beautiful concealer. It covers well. It doesn't crease as bad as other concealers, and I love even the applicator. I know it's a sponge, and usually I don't like applicators like that, but I love the product and I think it's great. What can I say? I don't have a Maybelline powder, so I'm going with the NYX HD Powder in Banana. Now let's go with a bronzer, and I have the Maybelline Face Studio 01 in Blondes, and it looks like that. And basically this is like a bronzer and this is like a blush highlight, something like that. Taking a bronzer brush. And let's bronze. Gigi Hadid had a peculiar primer that's supposed to be like a contour thing to use it before the makeup. I didn't get that because I've seen previous videos and yeah, it's not something probably I would like. I'm not gonna use the highlighter because I'm gonna use something else, but just to swatch it for you, they look like that. The bronzer is good. I have to say I like it. It's not my favorite bronzer, but it's good for a drugstore. Now with this, the highlighter, the problem with this that I have is like it's a little bit dark for me because you can't really get to these individual bricks. So you have kind of like to swirl all together. And for me that color is not like a highlight. It's more like maybe a blush. This is not a bad product. This is not the best, but it's not bad either. Now let's go to some blush, and I have the Maybelline Master Blush Contour and Highlight Kit Palette that looks like that, and it has 3 blushes and 1 highlighter. Today I'm gonna use this one here. This was also in the worst products of 2017. I don't like this palette, guys. I just don't. The only blush that it's kind of like good is this one. The others, they're very patchy, and all of them, including this one, they don't last like a long on the skin. Like after a couple hours, you can't really see blush, but it's like kind of like patchy. You see patches here and patches there. The highlighter is okay, but all in all, I don't know, but I just didn't like it. I'm gonna swatch it quickly for you. This one, this is the one that I used now today. This is the second, and this is the third. This is the highlighter. Let's go to the highlighter, and I've got the Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter in 100 Molten Gold. Getting a brush. This highlighter, guys, I really love. It's beautiful, and look, I mean, seriously, pigmented, beautiful color. Usually, I said before, I don't like golden colors, but I have so many lately, and I'm getting used to them. So it looks beautiful. It's very pigmented. It's one of the best probably it's the best drugstore highlighter I ever tried. Let's start with the Maybelline and Gigi Hadid eyeshadow palette that looks like that. This is from the West Coast eyeshadow palette, and it's the Cool Tone. And it's so small. When I saw it, I'm like, what? Eyeshadow palette? This should be called mini, you know? First, I'm gonna go with that color over here. Then I'm going with this one a little bit, just in the crease. Then I'm using this color over here all over the lid. And I'm going with this for the inner corners. And on the lower lash, I'm going with this one. Now these are the swatches. This color over here, I used it all over the lid. This one was my transition color, and then I darkened the crease with this. This pink I haven't used. This was on my inner corners, and this one was on the lower lash. The colors are beautiful. I like cool tone colors. They're all very, very pigmented, and also they're powdery. Some they can be a little bit patchy, like this one that I used underneath, but overall they do perform well. If you don't like powdery eyeshadows that they kick back, probably you won't like it, but I don't mind the kickback as long as they are pigmented. This is a beautiful palette. The colors perform well for drugstore palette, but they do kick back, as I said, and also due to the price, I'm not quite sure. I like it, but I mean, it's very, very expensive for drugstore. Apparently, if you don't know it, in Australia, Maybelline is a luxury brand. What I want to say with that is drugstore brands, and especially Maybelline, is already expensive in Australia. Now this one, it's even more expensive. So, and it's really, really tiny. It's beautiful, I like it, but still I think it's very expensive for what you get. Now let's go with the eyeliner, and we have the liquid eyeliner Gigi Hadid, of course. I like the packaging first, I have to say that. The eyeliner looks like that, and it has a very, very thin brush, and as you see here, you can achieve a beautiful line, a thick or a thin line. I like the eyeliner. I have to say that I'm impressed with the eyeliner. I mean, this is not the best eyeliner, but it's a really good one, and especially for drugstore. I like the packaging. I like how thin it is. You can create a thin or a thick line, and it's beautiful. It's a good product. I have another eyeliner from Maybelline that I need to mention. It's the Master Precise Curvy Eyeliner, and I don't like that. I mean, have a look at this. This is a nightmare for beginners, unless if you want to create a super thick line. So no. Now let's go to mascara, and Gigi had two mascaras. I have one here, And firstly, the packaging is beautiful. I have to give it to Gigi. The packaging is beautiful. And I've got the Fibre mascara. You have the mascara wand from one side, and from the other side you get the fibers. If you don't like Fibre mascara, obviously I'm not gonna recommend it to you, but I don't mind if it's a good one, if it's done well. Let's try. Firstly, the mascara side is beautiful. Now the fibers. Ooh. I have to say I really like this mascara. Firstly, the wand looks like that. It's bigger, like curvy wand. The mascara wand on its own, it's beautiful. It's very, very black. It gives a lot of volume and separation and length. Maybelline does some of the best drugstore mascaras, so this is one of them. Now the fiber side, they're white. Although usually the fibers are very annoying and they fall on your eyes, this didn't do it for me, and I used it many times so far. So it does give volume, and of course you go first with mascara, fiber, and then seal it with mascara. If you like fiber mascaras, probably you're gonna like this. If you don't and you have problems with fibers, just don't try it. The mascara side, it's really beautiful. It's very black, it's very shiny, it gives you a lot of volume, length, and if you like kind of like sort of like clumpy mascaras, but not very clumpy, on the clumpy side, you know what I mean, you will love this. This is beautiful. I have another Maybelline mascara I need to talk to you about. It's the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. Looks like that. And the wand of this, it's like that. I didn't like this mascara. No. This one flaked, smudged, didn't perform well on the lashes. No, for me. Now, next product I got from Gigi is the lip liner in Taura. It looks like that. And you twist it and you get the lip liner. This is the lip liner, and the color is kind of like very nude, like your lips but better color a little bit. Reminds me slightly of the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Not as good, but a very good dupe. It's very, very creamy. The lip liner is also really beautiful. I like the lip liner a lot. And the final product I've got, it's the lipstick in Taura that looks like that again. Again, I love the packaging. Now I believe that name Taura, Gigi named it Taura because she's a Taurus, her star sign, and this is identical to the lip liner. Kind of like, you know, that cool tone nude. And she said this is her favorite nude color. I really also love the lipstick. Maybelline lipsticks are really nice. I love the formula. It's very, very creamy. It has a nice like light scent to it. All in all, it's a beautiful color, and I really like the combo. The lip liner and the lipstick, they look beautiful. I love that it's a cool tone nude and it's not like one of those, you know, everyday like concealery nudes. What do I think about the Gigi Hadid and Maybelline? I think all the products are beautiful. They've done well. My only problem is that they're expensive for what they are. Let's face it, Maybelline is a drugstore brand, and I think they should keep the prices a bit lower. If they kept the price a little bit lower, I would highly recommend all of them because they perform well. But for the price, I'm not quite sure. That's my only issue. I like the products, but I think for drugstore Maybelline, oh my god, you know, it's a little bit pricey, if you know what I mean. Please let me know down below if you like the look. What do you think about the products? What do you think about Maybelline? And if you have any other recommendations of other Maybelline products that I haven't tried. That's all, guys. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, mwah! Bye!